Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe at home. I know it's a hard time for all of us. Inshallah, we will all go through this together and soon this world will be a better and safer place for us to live. Today in this video, we will be making Oreo inspired cake and let's cheer ourselves up. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So then let's get right into the video. Firstly, I'll be making frosting for the cake. So now let's take a bowl. I'm adding in a cup of heavy cream and I'm going to add in Oreos. I'm adding in 6 to 7 Oreos. If you want, you can put fine crushed Oreo powder. I want fine powder and also Oreo pieces, so I'm going to beat it in this way. We have to beat it until you get stiff peaks. If you want, you can use icing sugar, but I'm using here non-dairy whipping cream, so I don't need icing sugar because it's already sweet and I am also adding in Oreo biscuits. So we have to beat it until we get stiff peaks. So here I'm done with the cream. You can see I have got stiff peaks. So let's shake the excess off and we can decorate the cake now. So here I have taken my turntable and I am placing the cake board over it. And now I am placing the first layer of sponge. And this is the classic sponge cake and I have added Oreo chunks in it just to get that Oreo taste. And I am adding in simple syrup. I have added 1 spoon of strawberry syrup in it just to get a strawberry flavor. I mostly flavor my simple syrup with strawberry jam or pineapple jam just to get a tangy taste. Now let's apply the cream over it and spread. Be careful while spreading the cream on the cake. You don't need more crumbs of the cake coming out. So just slightly move your palette knife with light hands. I mean by applying less pressure. And I'm here adding in little bit of Oreo chunks. I'm explaining it very well so that if you're a beginner then you can get use of my video. And now let's do the process again. I'm placing the next layer. It has got cracks when I was moving it from the sponge. But it's okay because it didn't break, yeah. So I will go with the syrup then with the cream and do the same process again. Last layer of my sponge. Then now I will be applying the syrup, then apply the cream. And we have to frost this cake. So I'll be doing 2 coats. Firstly we will do the crumb coat and finish it up and we will refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then I will give the final coat. So with light pressure on your palette knife, you have to spread the cream on the cake and frost it very well. You are going to give a normal coat now. So here I am filling the gaps with the cream. Make sure you fill the gaps and frost it very well. Now I am adding here more of cream. And I am going to smooth the sides this way with the palette knife. Now our crumb coat is done. Now we will refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So now my cake is out of the fridge and now I am going to give a final coat. So I am adding the cream all over the cake and then smoothing it out for a clean finish. So I'm happy with this look. And I'm going to pour in ganache drips. Here I'm using dark chocolate ganache with 2:1 ratio of chocolate is to cream. And I'm here giving majority shorter drips and few longer drips. So for shorter drips you have to squeeze your piping bag once, and for longer drips you can squeeze it twice. You may find that it's too short at first, but don't worry, gradually you will find that it's getting longer. Like you can see mine. After the drips, I'm going to pipe on top beautifully. Happy with this look. Now I will go on with the Oreo pieces. I will pipe the border. I always like to give a simple and thin border for my cake. And normally I don't use any nozzle. Lastly, I will grate few chocolate shavings on top because I have nothing to write on top because nothing special today. If you want, you can skip this step and write anything on top. And that's all, my cake is ready. Isn't that looking tempting? how is it inside. Look at it, how beautiful is it? And that's all for today. Thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please do try this recipe at home and share pictures with me in my Instagram ID Cuppy Eats. So see you in my next video. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.